5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
Oh fuck, they're all on the ice. You're getting fucked. Get hit by rabbit shots.
I don't have my...
Give me some coverage right here.
I don't know where they are, where are they? This thing's too big to be doing what you're doing.
You see anyone to my right? Anyone out that way?
Yeah, damn, we have a house. Alright. I don't know the course, so I'm kind of just... Okay. Alright. We want to try to get that house. We got the red one up there, so we're going to trap them this way. It's that one. What's a good spot to use my sniping from? Because that's not good for it. Those barrels over there. You know, these logs. There's not really logs down here. I think. Yeah.
I can't move.
Alright. Well, I'll give you cover on this house if you guys want to go to those barrels this way. Yeah, we're like a bad spot. I can't really swing this thing around corners either. Yeah, I know. Alright.
You know who that is over in the green cover over there? That guy?
That's his name?
If you could,
yeah, that's his name.
see if you can give us some cover fire so we can at least get out of here.
I don't know, what cover can we run to? That's only... That's backwards? Yeah. We get a better...
That's about all we can do right now. If I get up, I'm gonna get shot.
Alright, I'll give you some cover fire. I'll go for the run, because I ain't doing any good here. Alright, let's see going. I'm probably gonna run he's hit. Oh, crap, I just got hit. Shit. Well, there goes our intel.
Make a mad dash, Brent.
For what?
I don't know, I'm just gonna run back.
Run back? Got me in the fucking ear. I know, your bullet.
Hit!
Magazine out, please.